Alright, so just got in here and softened everything up. Let those valves flow a lot more. Let me get these out. Alright. Let's go. There we go. Alright, so Vogue 250, Yamaha Majesty 250, 260, 300, Chinese, Yamaha based, whatever, heads. But this thing's been opened up a ton. See the valve there pretty well now. Making a custom intake manifold for it. There we go. There we go. So a little bit more work to do to finish it off, but it's getting there. Still got to polish this off. So that thing's almost done. And we're also working on grinding a cam here. We have a little jig set up, but I'll show you guys how it works real quick. Throw it up there. Tighten this down. Let's tighten that down. Down here, actually. There we go. Now the thing is solid. Tap it into place. Boom, boom, boom. Rotating it back and forth. And then when it's need to get it just right and finish off the lobes, just gotta loosen this just a hair. I'm sure if I can do it without both my hands. There we go. And that way you can get in here and actually control this thing decent and have it come back and forth. But that's basically how I'm grinding my cams. Simple little rig. I'm figuring get about probably close to 8 millimeters of lift out of the stock valve springs in the head. So we're gonna probably try to shoot for around 7 to 8. Because I believe stock is barely 6, if around 5 plus. But that's a little gangster's new engine. So we're gonna play around with this thing and see how it works. So give you guys an idea of stock Vogue versus the exhaust I'm running. So this is a Bergman 400 flange, or header pipe and flange. Now if we can get this up in here, you guys see the monstrosity. That just had to get taken down around the ring a little bit, and the holes ovaled out. And this thing will fit quite nice on the head here. There we go. And then boom, baby zoomy. And then we got a slip joint right here. We can build on and build the rest of the exhaust system too. But when we want to have the candles lit, we can just slip it off, and there we go. Big candles on the nitrous. So that's the setup I'm working on right now. Let me know what y'all think, and like and subscribe for more content.